Lesson 1H, Organizing the Periodic Table. For periods of time of history, the elements were sorted by other means such as color, physical state, density, and even taste. This was changed by a Russian named Mendeleev. In 1869, Mendeleev thought that there must be a better way to organize the elements in a logical manner. He did this by writing the names of the 65 known elements at the time, along with their properties, onto cards. Then he laid them out based on their atomic number and began sorting them. He sorted by atomic number, just like our first 18 elements presented here. He noticed that the elements helium, neon, and argon all had similar properties. They were gases. They did not react at all with other chemicals. He also noticed that lithium and sodium were similar to one another as well. They were both soft gray metals that vigorously reacted when placed in water. In fact, they would ignite in water. He then noticed that beryllium and magnesium were similar, both being gray metals with the same crystal structure, and so on and so on. Fluorine and chlorine, for example, are very reactive gases, which are poisonous. Mendeleev noticed that the elements with similar properties seemed to occur after a set number of protons. So he placed them on top of one another and came up with this. This is the beginning of the modern periodic table of elements. The elements with similar properties stacked upon one another, and then he noticed that they each had the same number of valence shell electrons. He called these columns families. First column would have one single valence shell electron. The second would have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one from being full and completely full valence shells. The rows were given the name periods, and each period indicated the number of electron orbitals, 1, 2, and 3. The properties or characteristics that Mendeleev looked at were physical state, density, hardness, electrical conductivity, melting point and boiling point, solubility, its ability to dissolve in water, color, and the number of valence shell electrons.